What's going on, guys? This is Aaron. This channel is called Hotel Delta, bringing you all things two wheels. Today we're looking at a little practice method back here. This is the Jumpstart from Harley Davidson. I'm going to show you how to use it. Have any questions, comment below, like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next ride. All right, guys, this is a 2020 883 iron, and what it's sitting on is what we call our Jumpstart. This is a great device for anybody that has not ridden or has very limited riding experience. Allows you to sit on the bike. The rear tire is on a rolling dyno. You can go through gears, you can go through startup, get a feel for the clutch, the friction zone, without the fear of falling over, which, you know, for a beginner rider, that's one of the most afraid things, but it definitely helps you. And I will say this about the Jumpstart: if you can ride very smoothly on a Jumpstart, you can definitely do it rolling around on the ground, because as you come to a quick stop, or as you're shifting gears, if you're not real quick and smooth, that rolling dyno will stop and it becomes real jerky. But I'm just going to give you a quick example of how this works. First thing we're going to do is start the bike. So let's turn on the ignition. Bike's already on. Bike is in neutral. All right, so we're going to pull in the clutch, step into first, slowly release the clutch. And that's pretty much it. That's how you get started, and obviously you can start flipping through gears. But to better explain it, I'm going to go ahead and shut this off so you guys can hear me a little bit. So yeah, I shut it down. It was still in first. We'll go ahead and pop it back in neutral. But yeah, guys, that's just a quick example. Again, the whole idea behind this, for somebody who's never ridden or has very limited riding experience, wants to get, you know, better used to the controls, the left brain, right brain, the throttle on the right, the clutch on the left, brakes on the right, gear selector on the left with the foot. If anybody's interested in doing something like this, contact your local Harley Davidson. They should have, or Harley Davidson dealership, they should have a Jumpstart. And if you're about to take your MSF course, your Riders Academy, this is a great tool to try to get on beforehand, to give you some of the skills and know what it takes to ride a motorcycle. Most people have pretty good balance, but you start, you know, messing with the left brain and right brain, and you just need some muscle memory. I think it's something just about anybody can do, but you need to practice it, and this is the safest way to practice it. If anybody in this area is, this area, you know, South Texas, we are in between San Antonio and Austin. Anybody in that area want to come to a Jumpstart appointment, give me a call here at the shop. We'll get it set up. Have any questions, guys, please comment below. Like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next ride.